Here comes the waffle stitch scarf crochet tutorial. The stitches are simple and the scarf is thick and warm. The materials used and the scarf dimensions are shown on the screen. To make it easier for everyone to see the stitches clearly, cotton yarn of the same thickness is used for demonstration. Start with a chain stitch. Beginners can place one stitch marker in the first stitch. Work a total of 31 chain stitches. The rule is any multiple of 4 plus 3 stitches. Also place a stitch marker in the last stitch. Round 1. Replace the first double crochet with 2 chain stitches, so place a stitch marker on the second chain stitch. This will be the first stitch of round 2. Then work double crochets normally back along the chain. Here, you can pick up the back bump or the back loop of the chain. Let me demonstrate the double crochet one more time. When all stitches are worked, it should look like this. Round 2. Turn the work. Replace the first double crochet with 2 chain stitches. Then, work a front post double crochet around the post of the second double crochet from the previous round. The method is the same as for a double crochet, only the insertion point is different. This stitch creates a raised texture. Next, work 3 double crochets in order. One front post double crochet plus 3 double crochets form one pattern repeat. Let me demonstrate one more repeat. You will work 7 repeats in this round. After completing 7 repeats, there will be 2 stitches left. To keep symmetry with the starting pattern, work 1 front post double crochet followed by 1 double crochet. Round 3. Turn the work. Replace the first double crochet with 2 chain stitches. Then, work a double crochet into the second stitch of the previous round, which is the front post double crochet. Next, work front post double crochets into each of the 3 double crochets from the previous round, working 3 in order. One double crochet plus 3 front post double crochets form one pattern repeat. Let me demonstrate one more repeat. You will work 7 repeats in this round. After completing 7 repeats, there will be 2 stitches left. To maintain symmetry with the starting pattern, work 2 double crochets. Round 4. Turn the work. Repeat the method of round 2. Replace the first double crochet with 2 chain stitches. Then work 1 front post double crochet plus 3 double crochets as 1 pattern repeat. Repeating 7 times. For the remaining 2 stitches, work 1 front post double crochet and 1 double crochet. Round 5. Turn the work. Repeat the method of round 3. Replace the first double crochet with 2 chain stitches. Then work 1 double crochet plus 3 front post double crochets as 1 pattern repeat. Repeating 7 times. For the remaining 2 stitches, work 2 double crochets. For the entire scarf, simply repeat rounds 2 and 3 until you reach your desired length. Isn't it simple? Looking forward to seeing your finished projects.